Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. This is just going to be a quick video. Got another pack, a pair of the Air VaporMax Evos. This is the Anthracite, Tech Gray, and White colorway. Got this pair of shoes for my cousin. Get this out the floor. I didn't put these shoes in here tight. Everybody loves this shoe. I've been selling hundreds of pairs. Being that it combines many other VaporMaxes together into one ultimate VaporMax. Everybody wants all the colorways. This isn't a bad one. I'll leave a link down below in the description to my video where I reviewed the white and grays. My opinion, out of all of the shoes, this is similar to my pair, like I told you that I have with the Tuskegee Airmen shark teeth on there. But this is my third favorite colorway. I believe the other two are a little bit better in my opinion, but this is still a good pair of shoes. I'm told that these shoes will get you guys a little bit light action, feel like you're wearing nothing. So, if you're into VaporMaxes, this really is the best of the best that you can get. Fabrics and materials are all composites of, like I said, other VaporMaxes and Air Maxes. So it's just a good colorway. I'll make sure you guys can see the 3M materials on here clear. It's not a bad shoe. You know what you guys think of the shoe down below in the comment section. Again, I like the shoe because the back is locked in again. This new back they got and these new traction pads they put on here are outstanding. In my opinion, makes the VaporMax a much better wearing shoe. Like I told, this is supposed to be the apex of all VaporMaxes. So if you're looking for a comfortable all-day wearing shoe, a training shoe, whatever, this is it. Everybody's telling me it can't be beat. Have to go dig my pair out, try them on. I think I'm going to get a pair of both of these as well. But we'll have to check it out. Give you guys a side silhouette. Alright guys, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe out there. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Let me know what you think about these VaporMax Evos. I'm going to try to find the other pair and bust out the review for you guys. You guys make sure you stay safe out there. And have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!